In today's video, I will show you how to change Facebook Messenger's notification sounds. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Messenger on your phone. Click on the 3-bar line on the top left corner. Now click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Sounds and Notification. Now click on the ringtone. Now you can see there are the ringtones for Messenger and many other things. Like I am selecting blue. Go back and click on Messenger. Go to App Info. Now go to Storage and clear all data. When you clear all data, then clear cache. Now going to the permission and then going to the calendar and select allow. Then go to the camera option and click on allow only while using the app. Now go to contacts and click on the allow. Go to the location and click on allow. Now go to the microphone option and click on allow only while using the app. Now go to phone and click on SMS and click allow. So now your problem is solved, and this is the way how you can change Facebook Messenger notification sound. Thanks for watching this video.